Hey everyone, what's up? On this upcoming episode of Good Tech Cheap, I'm going to be checking out two awesome products from Anker. The Anker 737, this is a very powerful wall charger, and the Anker 733. Ready to check it out? Let's do it! Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Do us a favor, if you like these videos, give us a like, subscribe to the Good Tech Cheap channel, and if you can, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. All right, coming up on this video, we're going to be checking out two awesome new products from Anker that are going to add value to your everyday life. We are talking about the Anker 737. This is a very fast and powerful wall charger for multiple devices. And the 733, another product by Anker, that is a power bank or a battery, as we know, that is also suitable for a lot of devices. Let's get started. The Anker 733 power bank, that's the GaNPrime PowerCore 65 watt charger. It's a 2-in-1 hybrid charger. A 10,000 millihertz 30 watt USB-C portable charger with a 65 watt wall charger. It works for iPhone 13, Samsung, Pixel, MacBook, Dell, and more. With this 2-in-1 charger, enjoy the best of both worlds with a hybrid 65 watt wall charger and a 10,000 megahertz portable charger in one. You get power for 3 different outlets, 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. You can easily charge up to 3 devices at once. Powered by GaNPrime. The portable charger is equipped with Anker's most advanced GaN-powered charging system, an innovative stack design, PowerIQ 4.0 for higher efficiency, and ActiveShield 2.0 for intelligent temperature monitoring. It features wide compatibility, working flawlessly with a wide range of devices including phones, tablets, laptops, and more. You'll get the Anker 733 power bank, GaNPrime PowerCore 65 watt, the welcome guide, and 24 months of stress-free warranty, along with friendly customer service. The Anker 737 charger, the GaNPrime 120 watt PPS 3-port, fast, compact, foldable wall charger for MacBook Pro and Air, iPad Pro, Galaxy S22 and S21, Dell XPS 13, the Note 20, 10 Plus, iPhone 13, the 13 Pro, and more. Power 3 devices at once with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. You can charge your phone, tablet, and notebook all at once from a single charger. Connect a single device to charge up to 100 watts. Charge up to 26 minutes faster. The exclusive PowerIQ 4.0 technology features dynamic power distribution, which detects the power needs of connected devices and adjusts power automatically to ensure faster, more efficient charging. ActiveShield 2.0. This is Anker's proprietary technology that enhances protection by intelligently monitoring temperature over 3 million times per day and adjusting power output to safeguard your connected devices. And it's greener with GaN. If every household in the US used GaNPrime products in place of non-GaNPrime products, the amount of power saved could be up to 796.39 million kilowatt hours per year. That's enough energy to power Hawaii for a full month. You get the Anker 737 charger, powered by GaNPrime at 120 watts, the silicon stabilizer, a welcome guide, 24 months warranty, and friendly customer service. Like many products made by Anker, I found both devices to be extremely well made, with thoughtful additions like the suction cup wall plug, small, ergonomic, made with high quality materials, and they performed flawlessly. I'd like to thank Anker for sponsoring this video and giving us the opportunity to check out both the 733 and the 737 and share both products with you. If you'd like to find out more, there is a link in the description below. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video. I've been your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, once again, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Let's wrap it up from Los Angeles, California. Stay safe, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye.